Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix PrizePicks withdrawal not working. Alright, let's begin. If your withdrawal from PrizePicks has failed, here's a quick guide to resolve the issue. First, verify your account. Open the PrizePicks app or website and ensure your account is fully updated and verified. Complete your profile with your name, address, and date of birth. If necessary, upload a government-issued ID as proof of your address. Next, check your payment method. Double-check your withdrawal details to ensure that your bank account or PayPal information is accurate. If you are using a prepaid card, confirm that it meets PrizePicks terms and conditions. If your withdrawal is marked as failed, go to the withdrawal history in the app to check the status. Cancel the request and try again, ensuring that the amount meets the minimum withdrawal limit, which is typically $25. If the problem persists, update the app by searching for PrizePicks in the App Store. If you are using the web version and still face issues, contact support as a last resort. Reach out to PrizePicks support via their in-app chat or email at support@prizepicks.com. Provide your account details and describe the issue you are facing, including screenshots if possible. So that's basically how you can fix PrizePicks withdrawal not working. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.